Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today, we'll continue exploring how artificial intelligence systems handle data, from acquiring it to processing it and finally interpreting it meaningfully. We'll also learn how to visualize this data using interactive dashboards. Let's start with the first step, acquiring data. It simply means gathering information that your project needs. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. If the data you collect is poor, your AI's performance will be poor too. Data can be of different types. Structured data, like what you see in tables and Excel sheets. Unstructured data, such as images, videos, or text. And semi-structured data, a mix of both. Knowing what kind of data you have helps you choose the right acquisition and processing method. Depending on your project, there are many ways to acquire data. You can collect it through surveys, use sensors, pull it from websites, or even use ready-made open datasets. The key is to ensure that your data is reliable, relevant, and ethical. Once we've collected data, we can't use it right away. It often has missing values or errors, so we process it by cleaning, sorting, and preparing it for analysis. Think of it like washing vegetables before cooking. Clean data gives you accurate insights. Now comes the exciting part, data interpretation. This is where we look at the processed data and try to understand what it's telling us. Interpretation is the stage where numbers become knowledge and information becomes insight. There are several methods of interpreting data. Sometimes we describe trends using words. That's qualitative. Sometimes we use charts and numbers. That's quantitative. We can also compare or predict future outcomes based on existing patterns. Each method helps us see the story hidden within data. Depending on the kind of data we have, interpretation can take different forms. It can be textual, graphical, or statistical. Graphical interpretation is especially powerful because visuals help people understand complex information quickly. So, why is interpretation important? Because data alone means nothing unless we can understand it. It helps us make the right decisions, avoid false assumptions, and train AI models more effectively. In short, data interpretation turns facts into wisdom. Once we interpret data, we need to present it effectively. That's where data visualization comes in. A graph or dashboard can show in seconds what pages of numbers cannot. It makes data easy to understand even for non-technical people. Visualization is like storytelling with data. It simplifies large amounts of information, highlights key findings, and keeps your audience engaged. That's why good visual design is as important as good analysis. There are many ways to visualize data. Bar graphs for comparisons, line charts for trends, scatter plots for relationships, and dashboards for interactive insights. Each one serves a purpose, and choosing the right one depends on what story your data tells. An interactive dashboard brings all your visualizations together in one place. It updates automatically and allows users to filter or explore data dynamically. It's like a control center for your data, powerful and user-friendly. Let's take an example. Suppose you build a dashboard to track air quality. You collect data from sensors, clean it, and visualize it in real time. This helps viewers instantly see which areas are most polluted and take action. To summarize, we've learned that the journey from data collection to dashboard presentation is what transforms information into action. Acquiring, processing, interpreting, and visualizing, these are the pillars of every successful AI project. Remember, students, data is powerful, but only if we know how to collect it, understand it, and share it responsibly. That's the true essence of data literacy in the world of artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.